Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Haja and in today's video we're going for something different than makeup. We're going for a short hair beach waves tutorial. I decided to go for this tutorial since after cutting my hair this short, I really had some issues on how to create those waves effortlessly. It took me almost an hour in the beginning to be able to work with my short hairs and they did not look the way I wanted them, so I had to practice a few times until I learned a few tips and tricks I would like to share with you so you can get your beach waves ready in less than 15 minutes. All we need is a regular curling iron. Mine is a 1" and a quarter size or a 32 millimeters in Europe by the brand Remington. You can also go for a 1" size for more defined waves. I want my waves to look more loose. Then we need a few hair clips to section out the hair and a rat tail comb. For the products, you would need a heat protection spray. I have applied this one by L'Oreal before drying my hair with a blow dryer. For the waves to last you long, I use a hairspray by Wella with a strong hold promise. If you deal with an oily scalp, you can use the drying shampoo on your roots in the end for more volume on that part. First of all, I would suggest you to blow dry or straighten your hair if you have textured hair. I did straighten my hair a little, especially the roots, so there are no frizzy hair on that part. I comb my hair with the comb so there are no knots. Now I section the hair using the end of the rat tail comb to separate the sections and use the hair clips to put them up for later. I have sectioned out 2 hair sections in the front and have left the back hair to work on first. As for the back hair, they are shorter than the rest of my hair, especially the front hair, hence I cannot create real waves with them. That is why I just curl them inwards to give them a structure that would match the waves. The reason I also do not curl outwards of my face is that the hair strands are shorter for the thick-sized curling iron I'm using. I would basically burn my scalp or fingers if I went in too close with the curling iron, hence our focus is not to create any waves yet. So I'm curling each hair strand starting from the back and working my way up until the front. That way you will not miss any hair strands since you have a better overview over them. I basically repeat the steps on each hair strand until they do not look straight anymore. In the end, the tips of the hair need to point inwards to your face. Now it is time to section out the front hair into 2 parts and start curling one part. Again, I start from the back side, but this time curl each hair strand outwards of my face. I basically place the curling iron behind the hair strand and wrap the hair strand around it. Note to preferably use cotton gloves while wrapping up since it is easy to burn your fingers. Let the hair wrap up around the curling iron for up to 10 seconds and then release. In case one wave does not look the way you want it, then the hair strand was probably too thick. Just go back to it and divide it again and start curling. Now we go to the last part of the hair section that is left on the left side from your point of view. We again divide that section into medium-sized hair strands and curl them outwards of the face. By the way, you also have the option to go for curls that point inwards in between. That way you will have a more messy look. Finally, we have only one straight strand left, which we curl outwards of the face as well. When working close to the ears, be very careful please. Just put the hair that is in your way out of the face and work on the hair strands that are left. That is basically how the end results look like, only on the left side. To maintain the loose waves, I use the Wella hairspray and spray it at a distance of 20 centimeters to my waves. Then I go into my hair with my fingers and push them gently upwards in the hair growth direction to lift the curls and give them more volume. Once my beach waves are ready on both sides, I take the rat tail comb and divide my front hair on the left aside to the right. I like to wear it that way since it gives my hair an additional volume. In the end, I go through my hair with my fingers and style them at the same time. Et voila! This is how I create my beach waves on short hair. I highly recommend you to try this hairstyle out as it gives your hair volume and lasts you for 2 days or even more if you do not have a greasy scalp. The best thing is it only took me 15 minutes to get a salon-like hairstyle, so how about trying it on yourself? Like always, I'm very thankful for your time. I would like to ask you to kindly leave me a thumbs up, share this tutorial with your short hair besties, and subscribe to my channel to not miss out on the latest lifestyle and beauty updates.